Alright, Dad. This is 2 years ago. Remember when we were up here and you saw this fucking Hobbit? And you looked at me and said, "Is that Beamer and Sons Garage?"
Yeah.
Hey, Barry, here's a show you can still go to, though.
Another entrance to swap meet. This lady here stamps her hand and puts a nice little red stamp so you can come in and out.
Why are you shoving a camera in her face, dog?
So here we are. We're looking at all the cool parts they got.
This is not how you conduct yourself for a channel, you guys. How many YouTubers do you show that show this, like, go walk with somebody and just fucking put a camera in their face that they don't even know, that they've never talked to?
Windshield chrome on a 70 Roadrunner? Windshield chrome for a 70 Roadrunner? Huh? You got some Dodge stuff, though.
Ain't that what the fucking Mopar swap meet is?
What's the price on the console is? How much? 200 a set? Oh, 200 for both. 200 a piece? They're definitely, they know what they got.
Wait, so you're bragging about being a hustler? They know what they got, so therefore it's not worth $200 to you. But if it was fuck $50, it would be.
Monaco there.
Get away from Barry. It's shiny. You can't afford it. He got the fuck away from you?
Hey, you guys got any of those programs? Oh, cool, yeah. All right, cool, man. Appreciate that, man. I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm Beamer and Son Garage. It's our first year down here.
He's fucking Steve Dulcich. I'm Beamer and Sons Garage. Oh fuck, that's glorious.
You know that dude said, "Who the fuck is Beamer?"
Right now he's looking at going.
He's looking at his body going, "What the fuck?"
Gold, diamonds.
Like they was waiting for him to show up. You know what I mean? I'm Beamer Son Garage.
Here's your pass. You get backstage with tiny hands right now. Dude's an idiot. Yeah, shit. Hey, Derry. Hey, Barry. You're fucked, man. They don't sell a lot of junk tires and shit there.
So, you're 518 or better.
That's a jack. Put around the
I'm going to try to do this.
70.
I don't want to keep everybody here all day, so.
You fucking think?
Here's tail lights now.
I've got 23 homes.
So those are 72 to 74.
See, there's 122.
And here's some Cornet.
So,
68 Cornet tail lights.
say,
And they're
I'm going to say,
what was their price?
I'm going to say
You said them are
Here's the
prices.
RC grill I want.
but I'll be right
Fucking
back.
dude's an idiot. It's Mopar, dude. Hey, you think you?
You think he's gonna buy some tail lights and that good of shit
Yeah.
look like that for $20?
Exactly. He's fucking weird.
More grills. Rear gear, thingy, rear gear, thingy. Main thingy. Oh, there's a back glass for a 70 Roadrunner. 68 to 70 B body. And I asked already, they don't have any chrome here. I've already done this with. There's the back window for it. There's no chrome for it. You know what you got for the 70 Roadrunner?
Hey, Dad.
Whose booth is this?
Hey, Dad.
You know what you got for a 70 Roadrunner is a back
They
glass?
probably got a 70 Roadrunner shit, but they saw him and knows that he can't fucking afford
Oh,
it.
that's their side. Gee, that's all she got then. We just had a back window. But we don't need a back window, we need a chrome.
I'm surprised you didn't buy it for your horror collection. Oh, what? You couldn't afford it.
Appreciate it, guys.
$50, Barry. You should have bought it.
You got some cool parts. This is where you want to come out and get your Mopar stuff, people. We can get 73.
Indianapolis, Indiana, you guys.
Standard 303 body block. Standard block there. It's definitely an R block.
I think it's in March. I think it's March 8th and 9th or something like that.
So,
Indianapolis Fairgrounds.
got some intakes. Got some chrome over here.
The 70 Roadrunner stuff.
This is new chrome. I'm looking for some windshield.
You came to a swap. Most people have a list of parts. This motherfucker, I'll pass over fucking breathers, intakes, everything else. But I collect parts.
That's for polygrade demo.
Engine Barry.
On the end of it, this is a red, only.
It's not all true, Barry. It's not a 1 year only fucking tail shaft. Again, more misinformation. And I'll put up the years right here for that tail shaft.
20, 50 pounds. Straight $10 each or free for 20 pounds.
Got the break in 2050. Got synthetic 75, 80 gear oil and conventional 15 and 50 break in all. Good stuff.
Superbird part.
Really good stuff.
Console.
Big time supporter of
That's pretty smart though. Oh, this stuff got 95 bucks worth of power. Yeah, this is really nice. This is the super nice show. And we got whole complete rear fender, right front fender, 70 CUDA, Barracuda. Right front fender, 70 Barracuda. And you got new panels here.
You know he probably came back down here the fucking day after the close hoping to find some junk fucking quarters or something to throw in the trash.
There's a road runner. That's a new Challenger. There's another Challenger, new Challenger. Oh, that's an A-box. That's Duster.
You couldn't have looked Mopar guy though.
And 4 fans. Full length board, and there's the hump. There's the hump. There's the humpity hump right there. B-body, looks like a B-body. Yeah. Pretty sure it's a B-body. Sold. Someone bought that, so that's one of them.
Hey, Barry, there's an AMD stand there, dude. You just ask them if they have a 4-speed hump.
More here. Show you some more footage of this great show. Everybody's almost missed this.
Yeah, exactly.
Missed this last year.
Yeah.
Missed it any year. Fortunately, you missed it this year. If you're at home watching this and you didn't make it to the Indianapolis swap meet, you missed out. They started out Friday.
Well, this has been the year we had T-shirts printed up.
On Thursday. And imagine they were.
It'd be funny if he pans up right now. There's a poor man. You standing there with something with a T-shirt on.
We saw some stuff we're gonna get, and we're gonna go pick it up on our way out of here. We done shot 2 videos. Got to see our great friend Scott Speed Shop, Jedediah. We run across with Dad Michael. That was cool. He saw Hack 2 Garage, and so yeah, we've been over here. We've been on this side. Let's show this side over here.
You guys, they're literally only walking this swap meet. There's 2 sections. They're not even fucking looking in the second section. There's a long hallway that takes you over to a whole nother building. Barry, I'm surprised you didn't buy it and put it on the back of your Roadrunner. Oh, wait, you can't afford it.
He's got a pretty cool shirt on. What's this shirt you got on, bro? Turn around. See the front of it. Yeah, man. Mopar or no car, guys. Take that to the bank. We got some intakes, some steering wheels, connecting rods, rear end, cylinder head, and
Rear ends. Where do you see a full rear end at?
aluminum. Over here we got grills, dashes, counter taillights, more connecting rods, aluminum,
A rack.
some race stuff, stock stuff. You know, it's all good here. Here is ball system, tailpipes. There's some splash fans, brand new. Very cool. 70 on that. I mean, he's got, you know, a lot of things in here, you know.
Hey, Dad, good thing we all weren't beefing right when this shit went down. See that fucking tire tool? He would laid one of us out with it. Yeah.
Underglass. Any other glass? Nah, it's just some hardwood glass. There's a cool, complete grill for a Barracuda, 70 model.
Dad would have been all over that fucking service manual.
The models, yeah.
Hey, there's a lot of cars you can actually do.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, I know.
More headers, more valve covers. I got the wood right here. Anything yet?
Have a good one. 442 517 042517
If you ain't got to run for a road, what's that? Run for a road. I think I already asked you guys to. I appreciate it. Still looking for that chrome. Still looking for that chrome, guys. Probably gonna find it.
eBay, motherfucker. eBay.
You got caught all out with about 3 3. I'm jealous. You got all 3 of them. Look at that.
532 115
Come on, guys. Go to a new home.
11596
Yeah, because they really want to be filmed, Barry.
745
Lots of slots.
371745. I never did have any kids bring me a 1965 quarter or 1965 coin. Let's change it. 12 and under for you kids.
The old
Oh,
red
speakers.
Coin.
Speakers. He's gonna go towards the speakers. Watch. Watch. Speakers. Told you.
calendar.
The year
Yeah, that's fine.
1999.
Why are you on that young girl for, Barry? Look. What are you filming? You caught that, right? Fucking perv.
That's cool. Look at that.
Look, it's something Barry will never be able to afford.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
392 first of all, you can't fly. I know. Most guys run 2. Our biggest customer is down this one.
They should, bro. Hey, look at this. Chevy parts. We found some Chevy parts. Small box Chevy valve covers. Chrome.
Throw away.
Seats down.
If I bought an engine and those chrome valcros on it, the chrome valcros go in the trash.
More chrome. Power stuff. Yeah. Well, he's right there. He is. Chevy parts, bro. Chevy parts at a Mopar show. I told you we'd find it.
Yeah, how about that?
I told him. I said, there'll be some Chevy parts here. Here they are.
Did you literally set your body armor down on this motherfucker's
I
table?
got a Chevy Pass. Oh, yeah. There it is. You had it here, right? 68 to 72. That was you.
Yeah.
What year's the 72? Or what was that?
72. I got a remanufactured all the new with a new regulator with it.
Jackpot.
I know that.
Everything.
Yeah.
Look at the price too. $20 with
These are
regulator.
brand new.
Mine ain't too loud.
Pieces go on top of them.
Yeah, the bezel, yeah, chrome bezel.
Somehow I
Gas
ordered
can.
2 sets.
Yep. Unbelievable. Chevy parts at a Mopar show. We hit the jackpot. All right, guys, thanks. Okay, we're gonna make our way to the other booth, and we're gonna see if the hubcaps are still there. And we're gonna show the parts on our way through. So if you guys see something you like, you know, you missed out. You're not gonna be able to get it. It'll be
Every year, Barry. I don't miss out.
Look at that 2.4 set up. Ooh, Harleys. Holly, yeah. We like the Harley.
You can't afford it.
66 Charger car. Oh, lordy. Need to get a car from these guys. Need to get a car, bro. Hold that one a minute. I got some 66 Charger parts over here. Seats.
How many people do y'all see walking around with drinks in their fucking hand?
Whose booth is this? Is this your booth, sir? Is this your booth, sir? Is his booth? You got a card? You got a business card? Don't you? Okay. I saw a lot of 66 Charger parts down here.
We're all part of it. The Charger parts are his.
Okay.
The Charger parts are mine.
Yeah.
Problem is, Barry, nobody taught you how to handle business.
Yeah, right.
How to conduct yourself.
Yeah, right. What's that? This one.
At 61, you should know how to conduct yourself.
Yeah, that's okay. That's the wire horse for that's the main right there. That's the whole main right there. That's the main right there. For
We heard you the first fucking time you said it.
No, Barry, you sit over there, Barry, like drag racing simulation and show everybody how badass you are behind the wheel.
Yep, I forgot about that.
I got a YouTube channel. My son would like that. He got all these Charger parts.
Barry, you give all us YouTubers a bad name. Fucking animal abuser, you're a racist, you're a pedo, I mean, you're a fucking thief, I mean.
Let's try to make it to that other building real quick, Rob. There's Grove Street OG. I'm gonna make it to that other building and get those hubcaps. We're gonna take you guys along with us until we run out of data.
But we're all broke bitches. Hey Barry, I was able to do a live stream from that event, dude. Fucking walking around. I filmed it every year we've went. And I'm never running out of data. But hey, broke bitch here.
Ooh, data around. More heads. Pretty sure that's all e-bikes. Yeah, that's e-bikes.
Oh yeah.
That's e-bikes.
You've proven how much fucking knowledge you have about Mopars. Mr. I don't know, K-members are different between the years. Or between the engine sizes. Mr. I didn't know that what a torsion bar suspension is, so I call it a torsion bar steering. Mr. I don't know what the center carburetor on a fucking 6-pack setup fucking runs your engine.
We're gonna go 59 to 70. You ain't got any chrome for a windshield for a 70 Roadrunner, dude. Huh? Appreciate it. Man, we're not gonna find our chrome down here. There was a guy that had it yesterday, so we were a day late.
And $1 short.
And I'm not gonna say it was $1 short, because we don't really want it for it. But I think I could afford it. So we're gonna.
You're gonna go, I got bow legs and my one leg's longer than the other, and I got a disabled son I'm trying to raise, and we're trying to build cars on YouTube. Give it to me for 15 cents. I'll suck your cock.
We're showing race transmission 727, 750 bucks. Yeah, that's transmission.
Shit, Barry, you should buy two.
8 3/4 grand. 741 carrier, 373 gear, 31 spline motor axles, 1,800 bucks. And it's got the this rebuilt clutch setup, sure grip. And I tried everywhere.
Hey, Barry, what's your factory V8 74 Duster have underneath the rear of it? 7 1/4? Or does it have the 8 1/4? Because it don't have an 8 3/4. Show us. Because that'll tell me if your car is a factory V8 car or not.
We're going to go down to the very first aisle because we saw something. We should have jumped on it. It's probably not money. But we're going to go back there. We're going to end the video on that last, actually the very first aisle when we first come in. This is going to be our last aisle as we go out. There's some mean ass cars in here. There's one of them right there. It's a racing Roadrunner. It says GTX on it. That thing's bad ass. And there was one more we missed it when we came in, but we're not going to miss it on the way out. And here's the same car from Cavalcade Customs, and we saw down to Cavalcade, and this is instant karma. So there's your karma, people. You drive that thing.
You're getting that right now, aren't you, Barry?
Yeah, I'll have to strap my brothers in the back of it. And pull him like I did when he was a kid on a little push pedal cart and hook him up with a chain and put my brother there and take him on.
So you're threatening to kill your brother, knowing that you have access to a shotgun,
I did
Barry.
that to him when he was a kid. I had a YZ-125, and my brother got on the back of a small plastic pedal car, and we hooked him up with a rope. And I took off on that YZ and got to the top of the street and stopped and slung him all the way around. He swung 180 degrees, hit the grass and started tumbling. And he loved it.
I don't know. I'll talk to my sources. I'll see if that's true.
My little brother, and they were fun days. Wish I could go back to them. But you can't, so. Now we're back over here in this building 1, and we're going to run until the camera just dies, guys. So if it quits, check out our friends Jedediah, of course, got Speed Shop. Check out his channel. Our buddy Jamie Phillips, Action Auto Parts. We don't want to forget about him. We want to get Jamie in here. Oh, good old Jamie Phillips, Action Auto Parts, our buddy.
I mean, you bought a couple parts on this dude.
I'll take them hubcaps. You said 50, right? I'll take them. I'm gonna get them hubcaps for that. I know a bargain when I see it, 50 bucks for them hubcaps, man, I know a bargain. I came back to get them. You probably knew that anyway, didn't you? You probably knew that anyway, didn't you? You knew I was coming back.
I never know. I've heard that story before. You know how that goes.
Is it okay to put you on camera? All right. Here's a guy right there. How long have you been coming down here, sir?
About 15 years.
So you've been coming here 15
That's the guy we bought the Corvette off of.
Man, that's
This is
my
first
buddy.
time here. I know it's been 27 years today. What about this other set of hubcaps?
That's the guy we bought my Corvette off of in the lift. He's a hell of a guy.
Yeah, these
I
four
promise
stack
he
right
knows what you are, Barry. You won't be fucking with doing that. He won't be talking to you like that. I
Oh,
promise you
no?
that.
Oh, just the top one. I'm only rusty.
That's the guy I bought my Vet off of.
Yeah, just that one. Oh, that one's banged up too. Okay. So you've been coming here for 15 years. And see, some people have masks. He's got one.
We went to Ohio
Okay.
show too.
So we're going to let you go here, guys. We're going to end it here with a great Grove Street OG winning.
That's
So
cool.
We'll see you in the next one, guys. Beer and Sun Drive
Got
in
you
the
on video.
Indianapolis, Indiana State Fairgrounds swap meet. And we'll see you on the next one. Say bye-bye, Groby. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I don't want to put this out here. That guy, dude, has a badass Charger. He's got tons of cool shit. puts Barry's collection
And
to
he's
shame.
a fucking man of his word.
Yeah.
100% man of his word, man. I mean,
He gave me a hell of a deal on that vet. I mean, good guy.
bought a lift off of him, dude delivered to the back, told me he would deliver the lift if I bought the
Fuck
lift.
about a Raptor off of him.
He did, I mean-
Getting ready to go back and buy some dirt bikes off of him.
3 more dirt bikes sitting out there I'm gonna go get.
That's cool as hell.
And another white, or another CR250 and another little XL7 here, XL8 or something. He's a good dude, man.
So we're gonna end it here. Fuck you, Barry. Leave them kids alone. Till next time. See you guys tomorrow night. And hopefully this dude got his wits about you, Barry. This OG guy, and finally got the fuck away from you. Bye bye.
I couldn't stand the stink in there if I went in his lobby or his apartment, you know what I mean? Them guys are nasty, you know that, right? And black people don't take a bath. Oh my God. They get these what they call ringworms in their head. Oh my God. And talk about lice. Oh my God. And the women are just as nasty. Oh God, no. I don't think I want to. Oh. They stink that bad? Oh. And their clothes are probably all just, ugh, you know? Oh my God. Yeah, I had one of them. We opened up the playpen. We took out the baby maker and opened up the playpen. Yeah. Winnie. We've had somebody take parts off of it since it's been sitting there. Oh. Yeah. They better be watching it. I catch anybody out here, I'm going to shoot them. He just bought a grill, and I think the grill.
Is that why Ryan don't have mom around? That's David. Yeah, keep up your ass. I see what you know, Brian. You look like a walking cancer patient, David. You know what I mean? Not being embarrassed about it like that. Tell these motherfucking people, what the fuck do you mean by that? What do you mean by he looks like a walking cancer patient? What is your meaning behind that? So you can't say, oh, they're editing my shit, making me say these things. No, Barry. So, I'm gonna jump off here, Barry. That's proves you further, you're a piece of shit.
Attacked him. I didn't do anything to him.
I know, but the language.
Anytime, boy! Anytime! Come on, Dad, let's go. This is in the 70s, Dad. Coward!
Scared me.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
Hey, it takes a bigger man to
He's got
walk
his
away.
camera off.
Bigger man to walk away.
Coward!
Kind of weird you want to fuck a 25-year-old.
What's your mouth?
Come the
Little
fuck
kids
on,
around.
motherfucker!
Sir.
Go on, please. Go on, there's a bunch of kids in there.
Please, Dad, come on, let's go. I'm not going anywhere. Come on, Dad, come on. You come to my show? You run your goddamn cocksuckers? Yeah, you, motherfucker. Please, Dad. Come on, Dad. He's right. There's kids. Come on, Dad.
Attacked him. I didn't do anything to him.
I know, but the language.
Anytime, boy. Anytime. Come on, Dad. Let's go. This is in the 70s, Dad. Coward.
Scared me.
That kids. One beautiful mom over there. She looks really young.
$10 for that radio.
She might even be the mom. She might be the mom's other child. Beautiful lady though. Beautiful girl. So here's what we're looking.